Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Elecphbo motion sensor doorbell, a device that promises to be more than just your average chime. This isn't just a doorbell. It's a multifunctional security solution for your home or business. First impressions are positive. The Elecphbo doorbell boasts 5 distinct modes: welcome, doorbell, alarm, color light, and lighting model. This versatility allows you to customize its function based on your specific needs. Imagine setting different ringtones or light patterns for various zones in your store, instantly knowing whether someone is entering the front or back. The detection range is impressive. The wireless sensor can detect human infrared signals up to 918 feet away with real-time monitoring. This makes it ideal not only for storefronts, but also for home use, particularly as a caregiver reminder. If you have an elderly relative prone to sleepwalking, placing this sensor along their path can provide an early warning, potentially preventing accidents. Setup appears to be quite flexible. The receiver can connect to up to 32 transmitters, including additional PR sensors and doorbell buttons. It also supports up to 8 remotes. This programmability allows for a truly customized security system. The option for USB charging or battery power is a definite plus, and the power-saving technology should minimize the need for frequent battery changes. The Elecphbo doorbell isn't limited to just retail environments. It's suitable for a wide range of applications, from high-end clubs and hotels to offices, factories, homes, and villas. It functions as a welcome buzzer for stores, a caregiver reminder, and a general visitor bell. The sensor can be placed wherever it's needed most. Personalization is key, and this doorbell delivers. The volume is adjustable from 0 to 113 dB, and it offers 36 different ringtones. Finding the perfect chime to suit your taste and environment should be easy. The ability to pair it with a remote control adds another layer of convenience. Finally, peace of mind comes from knowing that the Elecphbo motion sensor has earned CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications. This provides assurance that the device meets established safety and quality standards.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.